Hello, my name is Bobby and I'm a Customer Success Manager here with ScriptRunner, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through the latest release of ScriptRunner for Jira Data Center. As some of you may know, when it comes to the automation feature built into Jira, we have given you the ability to reference or execute a ScriptRunner script from an automation rule. In this latest release, we've added new tiles which give you the ability to interact with the assets module of your Jira instance. The idea here being extending the ability to automate into the assets section of Jira, making your entire instance more powerful and dynamic. So how does this work? When you go to an automation and you click to add a component and new action, if you scroll down to the bottom where you have the ability to execute a ScriptRunner script, you now also have the ability to look up asset or assets. How does this work in practice? So for a demonstration, this automation rule states that when you create a Jira issue, we perform a lookup for any asset with the serial number that matches the value in a custom field of the issue that was created. So we can see that defined here. And then once that has been identified, we output attribute information of that asset into a comment on the issue. So again, we can see here, add comment to issue. And we get the lookup assets, and for each one, we output the attribute name and reference. So let's see this working in practice. So if I go to my IT desk, when I have someone raising an IT support ticket, laptop issues, I require a serial number. If I go to the assets available in this instance, we're just going to use my laptop, so serial 000. So your user would enter the serial number of the laptop that they have available and click create. This will activate that automation. So if I go to the queue now and I view the ticket that was just created, we can see here that the automation has run and it's output information about the laptop, such as the name and the reference. So that's quite a simple, straightforward example, but a very powerful and useful one to be able to extract asset information from the data given to you available in a ticket. Let's look at another example. If I go back to automation, let's go to the second one. Populate the details of a machine. So the idea here is that I am going to create a ticket to review all of the issues all of the assets that are in a particular region. So when an issue is created, if the issue type is asset review, then we perform an AQL with the region matching the value in a custom field. And then we edit the description with, again, the same structure of statement. We reference the lookup assets, and for each one, we output the name with the serial number. So if I go to my Web2 project, and if I click to create an issue, let's do this, and we can select asset review here. I'm just going to call it new review. And if I scroll down, we have the region here. So if I select EMEA and click create, that is going to fire off the automation. So we can go and look at the issue that was just created, and we can see that the description has automatically been pre-populated with elements from the assets that have been selected by that selection criteria. And just to confirm, if I go to my assets, all of these are in EMEA, so it has selected all of them correctly. So as you can see, this gives you the ability to bring your assets module into the automation and structure of your Jira instance to make things more powerful, more dynamic, and more reliable for you. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.